Guys, today we'll talk about how can you use PolyAi app. So in the first here we will talk where you click on this sign. So we talk how can you manage your settings. It's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Click on this sign here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Here can you change your language. Just click on it and here can you change your language here. Then here can you, if you want to disable or enable per mode, I'm going to disable it here, confirm. So then it's going to disable with us here. It's going to show for us like this. So I'm going again to enable it. You just click on here. Then you click on it again. Then you click on confirm. Then it's going to enable with you here per mode. So and the next here can you, if you want to enable here voice automatic play, but before that you have to get premium to enable it. So when you click on it here, it's going to show for you here to get premium. So then here you click on push notifications, and here can you manage your notifications here if you want to disable or enable character messages, and here activities, then likes and comments, and your followers and notifications. So then here, if you have promo code, you add it in this list here and you click on confirm. So then here you log out from your account, and here in this list, when you click here in this sign, here can you change your avatar or select avatar, change your name, your gender and age between. Here you add age and here your view. Then you click here on save. So then here when you click on this sign, you click here on regular here. So then here in this list can you create your avatar, you upload it here, and here your avatar description, you add it here in your changer here. Then here image style, then you click on generate, then it's going to add with you. So and when you click, we will go to home, it's going to show for you like this to connect with these people here. So here in this list can you send a message here, so to these people here or these avatars here, and here can you uh, here restart here or delete conversations or add mode. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.